What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, guys, the Dodge is looking a bit different, and I decided to add my own little flavor to the car. And you guys can comment down below if you like how it's looking. However, the car is somewhat gutted now because I do plan to make some adjustments to this thing. And as you can see inside, there's no ESC, no motor, no nothing. And reason why I'm doing this is because I want to make it a little bit faster than how it is. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the Porsche over there just gathering dust. And it's been a minute, guys, but we're trying to see how best we can cover each thing. But yes, before I even get back to this, the only thing why I haven't really featured this one much on the channel, guys, is because I'm trying to see if I can source another one, because this thing right now is not something you find a lot. So I don't really want to break this one. So if anybody is curious about this one, I'm trying to source another one or some parts that in case if it breaks we can fix that. So yes, that's that, guys. So yes, back to this one. So this one is gutted. I want to see if I can eventually get a system to go into this one to make it a little bit faster. Why this chassis overall is naturally heavy, because as you can see there are certain modifications to it that would make it heavy naturally, but I did manage to gut some of it, and I'm thinking to maybe do a full gut setting to see how fast it can really be, because I wanted to see if I could use this chassis to do the thing of making it be the world's fastest Rastar RC car. But we'll see how that goes. But baby steps. Overall, the gearbox does seem like it can handle the power. The diff seems to be somewhat strong, so we're gonna see if we can achieve just that. But I just wanted to work on the outer appearance until we can work on the electronics, because overall we have lights here and those work, but I took out the ones at the back. But I wanted a system that could really, I would say, let the car look really good and showcase the real beauty of the car, and let it be fast as well, and maybe pop a few 1-2 wheelies here and there. So we'll see how best we can do that. But overall, this is the plan. It ran really well on the system that I had before, but I'm gonna swap that system inside of the Porsche now, and then improve the handling on the Porsche and stuff like that. So we'll see where that will go. But again, if you're new to the channel, drop a like, subscribe. There'll be a lot more content coming with this. I think this is where I'll leave it with where looks is concerned, because I want the look to be kind of subtle, nice and sleek. I think I might make a custom parachute. I'm not sure yet. That's definitely something I was looking at and I always wanted to design and make. In the trunk section here, guys, as you can see, is completely empty. Took out the battery. Yeah, so we have a lot of plans for this thing, guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell.